Hey everybody, this is Scott Rulon, and this is my YouTube channel. Today I just want to take a little time apart from the regular humdrum and talk about Christmas. Anybody ever wondered what the origin of the Yule Log is? Well, I'd be glad to fill you in. But before I do, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon because you'll get future content from me about various subjects, including the origin of Yule logs. So, the Yule log. The Yule log, also known as the Christmas log, is a traditional decoration and symbol of the holiday season. The roots extend to pre-Christian European cultures. The Yule log was originally a large log that burned in the fireplace or hearth during the winter solstice celebrations to bring warmth, light, and good cheer to the household. Origins of the log. The origins of the Yule log can even be traced back to the ancient Celts, who celebrated the winter solstice at a festival called Yule. The winter solstice, also known as the longest day of the year, which falls on December 21st or 22nd, marks the shortest day of the year and the beginning of the lengthening of days. It was a time of great significance for the Celts as it marked the end of the half-dark of the year and the beginning of the new light year. During the Yule celebrations, the Celts burned a large log in a fireplace to honor both the sun and bring warmth and light to their homes. The log was believed to have special powers and was thought to bring good luck and prosperity to the household. Hey, if you're enjoying this, please don't forget to subscribe. On with the show. Yule log tradition. As such, the tradition of the Yule log was later adopted by the Vikings. They celebrated Yule as a time of feasting and merriment. In the Scandinavian countries, the Yule log was also known as a julebok, which meant Yule goat. A Yule goat. The Yule goat was a symbol of the holiday season. It became associated with gift giving, similar to the modern-day figure of Santa Claus. Moreover, as the tradition of the Yule spread throughout Europe, it became associated with the Christian holiday of Christmas. Thus, several European countries, it is still a tradition. They celebrate by burning a Yule log on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. In some countries, the Yule log is now also represented by a cake or dessert in the shape of a log. The dessert is often served during the holiday season. So where's the Yule log today? I bet you'll be surprised that today the Yule log is a beloved symbol of the Christmas season. The Yule log is often incorporated into the holiday decorations and celebrations. It serves as a reminder of the warmth, light, and joy that the holiday season brings, and as a reminder of the long history and cultural traditions that have shaped the holiday as it is known today. Fantastic. Well, I hope you learned something today. I always like to let people know that I support myself and my channel by the following links below, and you can follow me on several different social media sites as well. Facebook, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can follow me on Instagram, or you can follow me on Twitter. Hey, you can even read a couple of my other blogs, 9 Ways to Invest in Yourself, The TikTok Man's 4 Principles, and Legendary Marketing Review. Thank you so much for listening, and please don't forget to subscribe.